Okay, so we're going to look at a stem and leaf plot today. And your task was to look at the temperatures that were in Toronto in September 2019, just the high temperatures. What's the first thing you should do with all this data right here? If you look at the data, what's something that you need to do? What do you need from this data? So you need to find all the data that is here, that is from September, first of all. And you will know it's from September because of the date, September 1st, in this case, and all the way down to September 30th. So all the data here, no good. Because this is October. We don't need this. So this is out. So now you need to write down the temperature of every single day. So start in order. 20. Okay, so we've written down the data. That's the first thing we need to do. There was a good suggestion on what I should do next. What was that good suggestion on what I should do next? Which one? Order them. Put the numbers in order. It will make sense to you starting tomorrow. But trust me, put the numbers in order. So we're going to take all these numbers and put them in order. So we need to find the smallest number to start. What is the smallest number here? One of the reasons why I cross out the numbers, because now that this is all done, I see that I've missed two numbers. So I can go back and put them in. So I missed a 26. So I'm going to put a 26 here. And I also missed a 20. And I had missed a 19 from before during the fast forwarded part of the video. So this is why I like to write the numbers down in order and cross them out as I do them. Because now I've seen the mistake that I made. So let's create the stem and leaf now. What's it going to look like? So remember, stem and leaf kind of looks like this. What number should I start with on this side? Base it on the data that you have. What should I start with, Zamal? Start with the 1. And then the next number should be what? 2. Okay. The first number is 15. So this is the stem, this is the leaf. What number am I going to put here? Veronica? 5. Cross this out now. And then beside it I'm going to put what? Nina? 7. Cross it out. Then what's next? What number is next? Yep.
8.
There's 8. And then, what do we have? Suvan?
8.
Another 8. And?
9.
9. There you go. And? Sugar.
9.
Are we done? No, we're not. What do we need? It's kind of obvious. There's no bigger digit. For now? Another 9. There you go. So that's done. So now we can move into the 20s. And we follow the same pattern. We have how many numbers with 20? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 zeros here. We have 2 21s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 22s. 6 23s. 2 24s. 2 26s. And a 27. We barely made it, but we got it. So this will show you where the data falls. So if someone were to ask you, just say we had a visitor, say, I don't know, from England, and this was their first September ever in Toronto, and they were wondering what was the weather like, what would you tell them about temperatures in Toronto during September? You would say the temperature in Toronto in September is about blank degrees. Based on this data, what would you tell them? Just by looking at this chart here. Where do the temperatures fall mostly during fall? In the 20s, right? You would say it's about the 20s. Most of you would even probably say 22 or 23 because that's where most of the data is.